Okay, in this lesson we're going to look at the sine rule and its applications. In our last lesson we derived the sine rule. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C, or sine A over A is equal to sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. Of course, what's important to remember when you're using this is that the angles are capital A, capital B, capital C, and the sides, little a is opposite angle big A, little b will be opposite angle big B, little c will be opposite angle big C. And these will work for any triangles, not just right triangles. Okay, at Junior Cert you solved only for right triangles. So I want to find all the missing parts here of this triangle. I'm going to use the sine rule. I'm going to start, of course, by finding the missing angle in here, which is easiest found. We know from Junior Cert that the three angles in a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. That's 40, that's 46. Together they make 86. I think another 94 degrees would make that 180. I'm also given this side length 10. This will be side little a because this is angle big A. This will be side little b because this is angle big B. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is find side little a. So I'm going to say little a over sine of big A will be equal to, this is obviously going to be little c, here is 10 because it's opposite big C. So I'm going to use that side c over sine of big C. And I'm going to just plug in everything I know. Little a is the unknown, so a over sine of 40 is equal to little c, which is 10, over sine of big C, which is 46. So all I have to do now is solve for a. To solve for a, I'm going to multiply both sides of that equation by sine 40. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by sine 40. So multiplying on the left by sine 40 will kind of eliminate that division by sine 40, and on the right. So when I multiply both sides by sine 40, I'm going to be left with just a on the left, and on the right I'll get 10 sine 40 over sine 46. And that value just goes straight into your calculator. I have no idea what it is. They're not special angles. You can't do it in your head. So you'll need your calculator to solve that. And just plug it straight in. One thing I do know that little a is going to be less than 10 because little a is opposite a smaller angle than little c. Little c, 10 is opposite of 46. Little a is opposite of 40, so little a will be a little bit less than 10. Plug it into your calculator, see what you get. Okay.